Lesson 14.12, solving log equations, but this time it's quadratic. So we want to get the exact value of x. Remember, that means you're not going to round. You're going to keep something a fraction if necessary. So our first job is to combine the logs together because we can't do anything when the logs are split. So because I see both of them log base 2, I'm going to put them into a single log base 2 and subtractions between the logs. That means I have division when I put these parts together. So I'll have 4x squared plus 7 over 2x plus 5. I know it looks scary. It's okay. We're going to have it like this. Then I'm ready to turn it into an exponent. This is my base raised to this power. Needs to equal this whole fraction. Okay, 2 cubed is really 8. And then from there, I've got a proportion. You could set this over 1. You could cross multiply here, or know that you're trying to get rid of this denominator by multiplying to make it go away. But now this 8 has to distribute to both parts. So I'd get 8 times 2x is 16x, and 8 times 5 is 40. What I've now created is a quadratic equation because I see x squared. That's where I want to get it set equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract the 16x over, subtract 40. So 70 minus 40 would be negative 33. Looking at my a value of 4, I know that 33 is not going to divide by that. So this is going to have to be a slide and divide. So we've got x squared minus 16x. 4 times 33 is 132. And it would still be negative. So I'm trying to get two numbers that multiply to make 132 and subtract to make 16. Let's try 4. 33 and 4. I'm getting closer, so let's see. It's got to be a little bigger than the 4. Nope. 6 and 22 would work because I'm really thinking of their difference has to be 16. And I would need more negatives, so that would be the 22. And positive 6. And then don't forget to go back and divide by 4. Before I slide the 4 up, I need to simplify this. 22 doesn't divide by 4 evenly, but it can simplify. It's 5.5, which is really 11 halves. You're dividing by 2. So I'm going to move this up here. Simplify and then slide the 2 up. So it'd be 2x minus 11. And then 6/4, I can do that in my head. That is divided by 2, 3 halves. Slide the denominator up, so that would be times 2x plus 3. Sorry, I did not write small enough. Remember, this is all equal to 0, and so you want to get your solutions. This one would be positive 11 halves, and this one would be negative 3 halves. So if you could have gotten the answers just from here, you wouldn't have to rewrite these factors so nice. We're just interested in the answers. Okay, and then number 2, let me switch colors so it doesn't get all mixed up. We've got a single log already. See, log's only written once, so I'm ready to turn this into an exponential problem. Here's my base raised to the second power. So I've got to put parentheses around this whole base squared equals this 2x squared plus 10x minus 3. Okay, be careful on this. We know that the squared means that you're actually writing this out twice and foiling. Or we should know that. 2x times 2x gets me 4x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 2x times 1 is 2x. I already know that's going to combine to make 4x. And then 1 times 1 is 1. There's a shortcut that I taught you a while back that you could just FOIL that out in your head. And then now from there we have a quadratic. I would want to keep my x squared term positive, so I'm going to subtract the 2x squared over. That gives me 2x squared. I'm going to subtract the 10x then to get everything on the same side. It would be minus 6x plus 3 would be plus 4 equals 0. I like this one because then I can divide away the 2 out of everything. And so then that would give me x squared minus 3x plus 2. So the only part I need to factor is right here. And I would have to have two negatives, so that'd be a -2 and a -1. And then those solutions get me +2 and +1.